guys, I'm Alexis HTD. And I got this guy. What's your name?
It is called Lamb Chop.
His name is Lamb Chop. Anyways, let's go to our boat. Is behind us. Now we're playing build a boat for treasure. So let's go in our boat. Liam, go in the back part and I'll go in the front part.
Are you sure about that?
Because I got the controls.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, guys, so are you ready, Liam?
Yes.
Are you ready to buff those cannons?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go, but don't start the boosters. Turning. So guys, comment down below what video we should make next. Anyway.
So, we can tell you how to get the egg in this game, but I think the egg hunt is over. So we don't really need to.
Yeah, guys. Anyways, we just broke a piece.
We might do piggy, but we're not going to do it yet.
Well, it's up to the comments, Lamb Chop.
Yeah, it's up to you, people.
Really.
I just realized, is that...
Oh my god, guys.
I just forgot what those were called.
Whoa. Oh my god, those bowlers!
I don't think the boulders, Jake. Ow, ow, ow.
Oh my god!
I just got hurt.
Go through the seat in the middle part.
I got up.
Have you in the seat part?
Yep, I'm in the seat.
What, in the middle?
No, I'm not yet.
Oh,
I can't really jump to it.
I thought your seat broke, Lamb Chop.
It didn't break.
Oh, right.
Oh no. Oh, I thought I was dead.
I took damage though.
I took... Oh no. You're almost dead, Jake. I mean Alexis.
Oh my god!
His name isn't Jake. I'm just kidding.
Guys, he's just saying the wrong name. It's actually the name of nothing. Like,
His real name is actually just Alexis.
yeah. So comment, it's up to you. Tutu,
I'm dead.
what
I'm
game
dead.
we
I'm
should
dead.
play next in like tomorrow, okay?
Alexis, I just died.
Just wait, guys. Just wait, Lamb Chop.
Okay.
Anyways, guys.
Sit here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to my room. Okay. I'll be saying stuff in the chat. People.
You what? So, anyways, Lamb just got out of the microphone. So. Wow. I'm really scared of washing deep. My roof is halfway broken. So guys, Liam said, "Hey May." I said, "Okay" to him. I said, "Yes, everyone's here." He said, anyway, guys. No. So I'm playing on tablet. Oh my god. My roof is half broken. And my boosters and my button is still there. Wait a second. Oh no. There we go, guys. Remember my first video of bee swarm, how to get honey fast? I teach you. You just have to put gumdrops and just mine the flowers. Oh, we're in the honey area, guys. I'm not done. I'm not done recording. So guys, he just died and he's talking to chat. I'm not done. You can play, you can make me play any game. It's in the comments. Guys, even games with Robux. The only game with Robux I can only play is Bloxburg. Okay, guys? So don't pick other Robux games. What did you say? Nothing. I played Roblox like over 4 years. I'm a really old Roblox player. Like so old. Lamb chop. Wait, what's this? Yeah, that was at before the video. Guys. Anyway. Gonna say to lamb chop. Lamb chop. So we're not done. Oh, Discord. What? Recording now. Is it I have to start all over again. Actually. Guys, we're back, yeah. We just cut the video. Okay.
Did you say my name? I don't know.
Wait guys, we're going to go out.
Sorry guys, me and Jake just had a little discussion.
Hey Liam.
Yeah? You mean lamb chop? Don't worry guys, that's not my real name.
Yeah, that's not his real name.
My real name is something else. He just calls me that for like one reason, because small.
Yeah. Anyway guys, so
I gotta go.
So lamb chop, just wait here.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna be back. You can, whatever, do something.
Yeah, you can talk with me. So, anyone in the comments? So Jake has finished right now. We're probably gonna do tricks or maybe tips. There's a few tips on how you can win in this game. Number 1 is always build tons of protection. Like, spend every single block you have, and when you spend every single of it, and you think you're done, save it in a file. Number 2, when you think you're low on things and you have a lot of gold, spend it on probably the low level ones, because they're pretty good and they're also pretty not expensive. Cheap, I mean. Number 3, if you beat a match every single time, you'll get 100 gold. And with that 100, you can save up. Always save up for the things you want. Number 4, probably like and subscribe, but you don't need to if you want.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Okay, Alexis is back. He just got a drink, okay? So I'm gonna go. See ya.
Yep. Did I die? Lamb chop. Lamb chop. Lamb chop. Lamb chop. Lamb chop. How do I die in?
What?
How do I die in the?
No, you won.
Oh wow, guys! I just have a little conversation. So, guys, we're going to end the video. Lamb chop? Yeah.
And also,
We're just about to end the video. So subscribe, click the bell, like the video, and see ya.
oh, just one thing. I'm very sorry for all the things we had to do. It's our second time doing it, and we're actually doing it with the voice.
Yeah.
Apologies for that. See ya.
Bye!